Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Today we are in Belvedere Marittimo and we are in this spectacular neighborhood with super high-end villas, and we're going to show you one of the really most amazing villas I've seen. It seems to go on forever and I can't wait to see it. So I'm going to turn this around so we can go take a look. Check it out. This beautiful villa in Belvedere Marittimo overlooking the sea boasts 650 square meters of beautiful living space, 370 square meters of fully done up terraces, and 600 square meters of manicured gardens with automatic sprinklers. The entire property is gated and beautifully done. Okay, so here's the villa itself. And you see it's gated and it's got, you know, a garage down there and like all kinds of space and whatnot. Now here's your neighbor. Look at that place. Holy cow. This whole neighborhood is full of beautiful, beautiful high-end villas. Okay, after much looking, we found the front door because this place is huge. And I'm going to show you a bunch of pictures of the outside. But look, when you go in, look at this beautiful floor. This is inlaid marble, guys. It's absolutely stunning. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. Okay, so the floors are marble and they're inlaid marble, so the stone is absolutely stunning. Wow, I just love how this place is decorated too. Beautiful, beautiful paintings on the wall. Just gorgeous. There's lighting recessed in the ceiling. Very nice. You've got this little seating area here with the piano. And then you come into the soggiorno area. Look at this pretty fireplace, just stunning. And some beautiful built-ins. Wow, those obviously were custom made. And here's what I love the most about this home. These gorgeous inlaid stone marble, just so, so pretty. And there's your little dining area there. La cucina. Okay, let's show you the kitchen. I'm going to save the view for later because it's quite amazing. Ooh, very pretty kitchen. Nice little breakfast bar on one side. Questa cucina è fatto a misura, vero? È fatto
solo angolo cottura.
Angolo cottura, sì. Ok. Ma era fatto solo per questa casa, vero? Sì, 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 sì. Wow, these are bespoke cabinets and bespoke countertops. E questo è marmo, vero?
Sì, sì, sì.
Wow. Granite. Oh, granite. Okay, the granite, but it looks like marble, which I like because marble on a countertop sometimes can stain. But when you have granite that looks like marble, it's absolutely beautiful and it's very, very durable. So you've got quite a large kitchen. And that, I think, is the refrigerator. And then you've got this beautiful little area here. Now, the kitchens in Italy are generally sequestered from the house for two reasons. Number one, for the heat. It gets hot when you cook, right? And in summer, you don't want that. Also for the smells of the cooking, you know, for cooking onions and things like that. You don't want that smell permeating the house. Now, this looks like a little area where you do your laundry. Oh, there's stairs going up. I don't know where they go to. Maybe nowhere. I don't know. We'll find out. This house goes on forever. And I wanted to show you this really nice studio here. And of course you can see there's central heating here. There's a little window that takes you into the little terrace outside. But this is a beautiful studio if you have the need for an office or a painting studio. This would be beautiful. You would get good light coming in. That's really nice. Okay, wow. Grande, grande studio. Wow, this is nice. There's built-ins here, built-in bookcases. Wow. And again, the marble, beautiful, beautiful marble floors. This marble is a little greenish. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has a slightly green tinge to it. It's very pretty, but also very neutral. It doesn't really affect the look of the walls or anything like that. The walls are a sort of a light sage green, which is a very pretty color. And look at all the space you have in here, guys. Like you could almost set up a whole office in here, and it's really, really comfortable. This takes you out to the front where we just came in, and there is a terrace that goes all the way around the house and all kinds of different sections of house. So this place really is huge. Back into the hallway, we walked in on this is the quote-unquote service bathroom, but look at this, guys. This is amazing. Hello. This is all marble surrounding the mirror, marble on the countertops. 2 sinks in here, and of course all the cabinets are bespoke. They're all made for this space here. Now again, you've got the beautiful tile accents on the floor. So pretty. Now there's no shower in here because it is a service bathroom, but look at all the space you have. So much space in here and a lot of airflow, which I really like in a bathroom. This here, I thought it was a shower initially, but it's actually a built-in mirror, and it's surrounded by marble. It's a marble frame around the mirror, and you can see that all the accents in here are all marble, and they are stunning. Even the windowsills are like the red marble. I think that's marble from Portugal or something like that. I don't remember. Antonella told me at one point, but it's a very beautiful marble. This place has so many high-end features. Going up the stairs, and look at these gorgeous stairs, guys. They're totally that beautiful pink marble, which I love. Now, this is a high-end marble. This is not stuff that's like, $2 a square meter. These are really high-end materials here. And I love these big, high windows that let in so much light in the stairwell. So pretty. And again, more beautiful features on the floor. Lovely. And it looks like a little sort of area here, and then the bedrooms come off the area. Okay. Wow, look at this bathroom, guys. Ooh, I love this mobile here. Sono bellissimi. Anche con... E questo è marmo Carrara?
No,
No?
questo
Okay.
è statuario. Questo costa moltissimo.
Sì.
Non è bianco Carrara, quello è grigio, questo invece è
Sì.
statuario.
Molto bello, molto bello. Oh, this is a beautiful bathroom, guys. Oh, look, and there's a little step up. You can see a little step up. And then you've got a nice big shower. Oh, this is so pretty. Little niches and little areas, lots of space. Oh, I love this place. I want to move here. And look, you've got a nice big window to let in air and light. Here's one of the big bedrooms. I think all of the bedrooms are probably pretty good sized here. You can see there's a good sized bed in here, but a lot of space on both sides. A giant armadio, but still tons of space. Now you've got a nice little bathroom here, ensuite. Cute little sink area. Nice shower. And again, more of this gorgeous marble, you guys. Oh, this is a nice bathroom. Lots of light. I see a lot of windows, a lot of airflow. And a lot of me, because there's a lot of mirrors here. So yeah, this is beautiful. Out here is a beautiful terrace. Wow, look at the view out here, guys. The mountains are spectacular. E dove è il centro storico? È lì, vero?
No, è qua dietro. Lo
Oh, dietro, ok.
Là si vedono alcune case, là dietro. Dietro questo palazzo.
Oh, sì, vedo un pezzo. Okay, yeah, so the centro storico is right up there, but you can't see it. There's a house in the way. But look at the size of this beautiful terrace, guys. And in summer, when the sun goes down on the other side of the house, this will be very cool, very shady, with gorgeous views of the Pollino Mountains. And I think those are part of the Pollino National Park. Very beautiful. Now, on this side here, look how close you are to the sea. Literally, you walk down to the sea. And there's some little boats out there today. It's just stunning. Another room here that they are using as a gym, and frankly, I would use it as a gym too. It's perfect for a little gym. You got a little bicycle here. You got a little lifting bench. It's just enough room. It could be a beautiful studio. There's windows on both sides that's going to let in a lot of light. So if you wanted to use it as a painting studio or arts and crafts or something like that, you could. Very nice. Okay, now this is a giant sort of storage area, but also the laundry area. And you can see they've got shelves here for all your shoes. You know, this would be a spectacular walk-in closet here. Amazing. Again, lots of light. There's where you have your washer and your little sink there. You could put a dryer in there too if you want to. This is a nice room to have, guys, because for storage, again, they have all their shoes here. For me, that's fabulous. I love a place where you can put a lot of shoes. The exit here takes you out onto that big terrace there. So you have actually a little view from here. You can see a little bit of the centro. Sì, il centro storico lì. And views of the mountains and everything else. This is really, really nice. The room here, I really like this room. It's on the corner, and so you get this beautiful light. Oh, possiamo vedere la vista? Sì, perché la vista, that's the sea view right out. And I'm getting a peek, and I'm already in love with this room. If I bought this house, this would be my studio, my beautiful painting studio. Posso aprire questo?
Andiamo di qua, andiamo fuori.
Oh, ok.
Oppure, non lo so.
Solo voglio mostrare, ok. Oh, nice. Okay, we just opened the window and you look out and it looks like, oh, another terrace out front. Oh, look how beautiful that is, guys. Oh, I can't wait to go outside. I'm giving you just a taste right now, but from this window, this little corner window, you just look outside and that's what you see. And another feature of these windows, they have the shades inside the window frame, so you don't have to dust them, which I love so much. And it gives you a lot of coolness, like in the summer when it's so hot outside. Questi non sono dentro, ma questi sono dentro? No?
Sì, sono dentro.
Sì, questo è differente, ok.
Per il sole.
Sì, è molto buono così. This little room, we're gonna go outside. Oh, the breeze is just delicious. Now look at this, guys. Here's one of many, many beautiful sea views. Now we're right down on the marina of Belvedere Marittimo. And if you look, there's a lot of really high-end villas up here because these are really beachfront homes. I think you just go down a little staircase. Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow. Ah, ecco il lungomare. There's the lungomare. Down there's my favorite restaurant, Calypso, Ristorante Calypso.
Sì.
Ah, molto buono.
Molto buono.
Sì, mio favorito qui. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, how gorgeous. And look at the gardens, you guys. Look at these beautiful gardens. Wow. The sea is so sparkly today, and look at the sky and the sailboats. Ugh, I could just be out here forever. Let me give you a glimpse of this gorgeous terrace, too. It is absolutely massive. Really, really big. Wow. All the way up at the top of the stairs, and there's another bedroom here. Good size there. All the bedrooms here seem to be very good size, and there's other rooms for things like studios or gyms or things like that. And again, lots of airflow, a lot of windows in this place. Very nice. In the hall, we just came in from that pretty room, which is my favorite room. And this is a beautiful bedroom here. This one's slightly pink. I don't know if you can see, but it's gorgeous. And it has an entrance. Questo è lo stesso terrazzo.
Sì.
Oh, entrance out onto the terrace there. The terrace that you just saw with that gorgeous view. You have some beautiful built-ins over here. Nice features, air conditioning, yay. I don't know if you can see these floors, but they're, again, this beautiful cream-colored pink marble. I love it so much. Here's your bathroom area. This is a nice bathroom for an ensuite. You know, it's not like a little afterthought. Hello, guys. Really, really nice. Stairs in the Tavernetta area, and it's like a whole separate house down here, guys. Check it out. There's a separate entrance. And unfortunately, my video of the taverna did not come out, but luckily I have my lucky backup stills and I can tell you all about it. This taverna is more than 2,000 square feet, and the kitchen area features engineered red quartz, which is not only super beautiful, but also very durable. It's a gorgeous kitchen. I absolutely love it. And this is a nice little living area. It's got the fireplace down there, the bread oven, and a great place to entertain, or you can rent it out as a whole separate unit, and I think it would fetch a pretty penny because it's gorgeous and it's massive. Check it out. Okay, guys, now this is the garage. You could fit, I don't even know how many cars in here. And then they've got all the wood and everything else for the pizza oven and the fireplace in there. But this is nice. And even in here, guys, it's marble floors.
Pure qua il marmo,
Sì, il garage.
Questo è bianco carrara.
Huh?
Questo è bianco carrara.
Veramente?
Sì, sì.
Carrara marble, guys. Carrara white marble in your garage. Now, who else has? We're out in the garden area, but we're on the terrace. There's garden down there and a little path that takes you down. But here's where I would spend all my time. Look at this beautiful terrace. And look at your view, guys. And from here, you can see the lungomare of Belvedere Marittimo, where all the restaurants are. Very, very short hop over there. Oh, this is beautiful. And the view off the side of your terrace is very nice, because instead of seeing a bunch of houses, you see the sea and you see a little cliff there. Now from here, you have beautiful manicured gardens.
Questo è marmo, eh? Rosso
Anche
Verona.
queste, okay,
Sì,
these
sì.
are
Rosso
unfinished Verona marble. Very beautiful. Oh, and look at that gazebo out there. I mean, who would not spend all their days there? Beautiful. Okay, guys, so we came through this little path right here, and here we are. Look at this. Over there is Belvedere Marittimo. You can see way in the distance, you can see Cirella Island and Diamante. And the little path leads you all the way down, so you really don't have to get your feet wet in the garden. Now, the garden is completely irrigated, so there's underground sprinklers and everything else that work automatically. So if you were to use this as a vacation home, you could have the sprinklers run for you when you're not even here. Now look at this gazebo, guys. Oh my gosh, this view. Questa vista con le barche, che bellissima. C'è un senso di pace, tranquillità. There's peace and tranquility here. I love this so much. I would be out here painting probably all the time. And over there is the little point of Belvedere Marittimo and the rest of Belvedere Marittimo. And again, you can see Diamante. This location is spectacular. This house is spectacular. And as I said before, these people were marble workers. Everything is marble. All of the steps outside are rough marble. All of the finishes and everything else inside is all marble and quartz and things like that. Now, that's a lot of value. If you were to go and get a house and put in those types of finishes, it would be ruinously expensive. So getting this house for the price they want it is actually a huge, huge value. And I think after seeing this tour, I think you guys really see the value in this beautiful house. I just love it. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I think you should come get it.